Hello everyone. Today I am very happy to introduce a 6140 numerical control lathe with enlarged spindle holes. The customer especially chooses the absolute value system of GSK 980 TB3, and it is also equipped with a 7.5 kilowatt 4 volt my motor. We also added hand wheels for our customers. It can make the operation of the machine tool more convenient and user-friendly. Our numerical control lathe uses an integrated bed foot. The feet of the bed are connected together. Strong rigidity, stable processing. The chuck chooses a 4-jaw linkage, 250 millimeters manual chuck. Convenient clamping, quadrilateral workpiece. At the same time, it is equipped with Honda 4-station electric tool holder. In the future, a 6 or 8-station tool holder can also be installed. Our spindle hole is 60 millimeters enlarged to 70 millimeters. In this way, it is convenient for customers to put a larger workpiece into the spindle hole. What about the x-axis travel? There is an extended design. There is a blessing for a big itinerary. It can make processing more freewheeling. The z-axis guide rail uses a double triangular guide rail. It can make the processing operation of the machine tool more stable, equipped with a 4-volt mine motor, while increasing low-speed torque. You can also do point-to-point positioning, convenient for clamping special shaped parts. We can also support various voltage customizations. It's 220 volts, 380 volts, 415 volts. And it also supports various automatic feeding customizations. If you have any other needs, you can also get in touch with us at any time.